very much for joining me here today. My name is Rose and this is Easy to Cook at Home. Today I'm going to be doing marinated chicken and I'm going to be serving it 3 different ways. I'm introducing a new segment to my channel called Quick Tips. So every Tuesday I'll be doing another quick tip. This is episode 1, and without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start by putting some yogurt into this container here. I'm just putting 3 large tablespoons. Depending on how many chicken breasts you have, you might need to use some more, but I'm only doing 1 chicken breast. Now because this is quick tips, I'm not using fresh garlic, I'm just going to sprinkle in some garlic, probably around about half a teaspoon. Same for the ginger, powdered ginger, about half a teaspoon. One teaspoon of turmeric. Just want to give that a good old mix up. It's the turmeric that gives it its colour, and everything else gives it all the lovely flavours. Just mix that up. Make sure it's all nicely combined. Take your chicken breast and give it a good old coat. The yogurt will marinate it, will make it nice and soft and tender inside. Now you can leave this overnight, so if you did it the night before and you came home the next day, it'll be nicely marinated for 24 hours, or you could do it before you went to work. If you don't have that time, then you can just do it and then leave it for around about 2 hours in the fridge, and then just turn it over after about an hour. Make sure it gets all nicely marinated. Okay, so I've allowed the chicken breast to marinate. I'm just going to take it out of the container, leave some of the mixture on it, and I'm just going to bake that in the oven for around about 20 minutes until it's nice and brown on the outside and nicely cooked. Okay, so I've taken the chicken breast out of the oven and I've just chopped it up into some nice fine slices. Just place that on top of some rice. You can use boiled rice or fried rice, and then just sprinkle it with some chopped chives. Very nice, very tasty. Or you can have it with noodles and vegetables. It can also be served cold in a salad. So 3 different options, with rice, with noodles or with salad. Well, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, like, share, all that kind of good stuff. Thank you very much, have a great day, and bye bye for now. Hope to see you soon. Bye.